ain't even gonna say nothing. I got something for y'all though. Y'all drive slow as hell, boy. My ass over here. Y'all tripping. I don't know who that stop sign for, but it ain't for me, goddamn. Ain't nobody else stop, shit. Fuck you. Please tell me that you do this often. French manicures when I'm golfing. If I buy you Hermes, you getting caught. I'm being cautious. If I buy you a Birkin, you getting saucy. That nigga said, if I buy you Hermes, I'm being cautious. Did you hear what he said? Y'all understand that shit? Boy, I ain't buying shit. Me buying you Hermes, bitch, you done made it, bitch. I ever go in a Hermes store for any female, boy, she done made it, okay? Except for mama. If I buy you Louis Vuitton, I'm being cautious. If I buy you some Chanel, I'm being cautious. If I buy you a Rollie, you wifey. That's just how it's going. Next year I'm going AP though. Yeah, I'm going AP on AP, plain AP on my girl, on my lady. All rose. I think that they got a female all rose AP. Getting it. Let me make sure. Let me look right now. Shit. All rose AP. Rose gold AP women. Rose gold women's AP. Let's see. That motherfucker say approximately what? Oh, that shit ain't that cheap now. Oh, this shit 19. Well, yeah, for sure. 19 rose gold AP. On the phone now, that's how I'm stamping my girl, okay? So when y'all see a girl with me with a rose gold AP, she mine. Until then, she was just a little, you did. So don't ask me no questions about none of that other shit, okay? Please tell me that you do this often. French manicure, and that's for everybody that asked me. Was the girl that I was with in that car video I posted a few minutes ago, a few weeks, months ago, or whatever? Was she my girlfriend? No, she was not my girlfriend. If you don't see, so if anybody want to ask me, want to know, if she ain't got no rose gold AP on her wrist, she's not mine. Okay? She's lying to you. Do you hear what I said? I said she's lying, capping. She's not telling the truth, telling a fib. The fuck is you saying? Second channel turned right now. Second channel made 1,000. This shit only been monetized for like four days. I just monetized it like 4 days ago, and this bitch already made $1,000 damn near. After today, it's gonna be 1,000. Let's turn. I like that. I'm excited. Y'all rock with me on Mula 2. For everybody that don't know about Mula 2, it's my second reaction channel. That's why I do my Thug Deezy. You know what I'm saying? I really just be open, be free. I just watch videos with the squad. You know what I'm saying? I should have did it. Should did a little takeoff right there. That's cool though. Was that the police? That's the Uber. Ooh. The police was on the other side. I was gonna go. I was gonna be gone. See, certain situations I'm running from the police. Certain situations I'm not. They get behind me. It's over with. I'm pulling over. They trying to make a U-turn or something. I'm skirting right down Bernardo. Where else up? Skirt. Burr, 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 burr. You ain't ready for me. Nigga, you ain't ready for me. Could y'all imagine if he was not driving like we driving right now? Boy, we still be on fucking what, nigga? We be 30 minutes away from the house still to right now. 2023 flu shot, high dose and regular. That's what they say, ran regular, nigga. You know, goddamn flu shot. Eat the right foods, work out, be alright. You'll be fucking have an immune system, be good enough to fight the damn flu. Damn flu shot. Grown ass man getting the flu shots. The hell? No sir, not me. Not Mako. I don't know what's in that. You heard? I don't know what's in that, boy. You ain't finna tell me they don't be doing experiments on motherfuckers and not telling you. And shit, if you do tell me, I ain't finna be the one to find out. Goddamn, you ain't finna make me the example. You hear me? Blah! Hit this. What this is? A Toyota. I hit the shit out the Toyota. Bumped them up, tire out the back of that. Alright, let me get my ass over because apparently, obviously, y'all ass want to drive slow as hell and shit. And I am in a rush. I hate people that drive slow as hell because, like, bro, you ain't got nowhere to be, bro. What you got going on, bro? How fucked up is your life for you to just be going 10 miles an hour down the street, G? On front of grade. Get your minivan driving ass out my face. I'm finna get over here, shorty. Yeah, y'all ass smoking. French manicured and I'm golfing. Next year I'm gonna have me a fuck that. I'm gonna give me a girlfriend next year. I'm not going listen, I'm telling y'all right now, I'm not doing Christmas again without no girlfriend. That shit's smoked, it's dead, it's in the water. You be lucky, she might be pregnant. Fuck around, let God send me a girl January, February. She be pregnant by December for sure. She be pregnant by December, especially if she the girl I want. Oh yeah. Girl I want is rare, so as soon as I find that she's getting scooped up, trapped, I don't give a damn. Married and pregnant, fast. And all I talk about it, cause goddamn it, that's called manifestation. And I'm gonna be about $10 million up through there, and goddamn, we gonna run off with our babies and live happily ever after. And if you got a problem with it, eat a cock. Nah, for real. And this Toyota Camry look kind of cool. Okay, Toyota Camry. Shit. Come on, Volkswagen, folk. This big ass Volkswagen truck, folk. Like, I won't get on your ass. I really get on your ass. Yeah, you going slow as hell, god damn. We gonna party on a Saturday night. On a Saturday night. Can y'all please drive a little bit faster? Well, who you think you beating to the red light, boy? I'm faster than you, bro. Faster than you. Aha, you didn't beat me. Aha, nope. Doesn't count, pussy. Okay, folks, turning. Is he gonna turn with him? Let me see. Hurry up and make your decision, folks. Turn with him. Just turn with him. Get the fuck out of my way. Damn. You can go ahead, try to do your thug diesel. Alvarado. Jose Alvarado. It's your street, folk. Alvarado Street, folk. Excuse me. Excusez-moi. Scam-moi. Now you trying to get over. Get your lame ass up. For no reason and shit, cause you scared. Get your lame ass on somewhere. And all this pussy ass driving y'all doing, man. Drive that car, man. Driving 5 miles an hour and shit. They got places to be. Time is valuable, goddammit. Y'all tripping. Don't never get old on front grade. I'm telling you right now. Don't never get old, boy. That yank back don't ever get old. I'm telling you, boy. I'm telling you right now. You gotta be careful on Olympic though. Police be up here. I really was tweaking why I'm doing it in the first place, but you know I gotta get it for the squad. You know we got to get it for the squad. Boom, bow. I gotta get my shit wrapped at January too, cause I'm tired of seeing everybody got white cars. 2 white cars right here. No. Come on, yellow cab. What you gonna do? You gonna stay over there? Let's go. Police, no word. You get that tunnel action for the squad. Yo, say now, moi. Herbalife Nutrition. Yeah, I gotta get my car wrapped fast. ASAParundo. Get your ass out my way, bro. Go ahead, bro. Hurry up, bro. Like, beat your ass, bro. Oh, he driving my car. That's my car. Well, it ain't my car literally, but that same car I got at home. GLC 300 4MATIC. Big body mom. Get that bit wrapped too. I'm trying to figure out which one I should do first. I'm probably gonna wrap that bit first. They on the bus clapping. I don't know what they got going on. She fine too. Hold on, let me skin skirt. No turn on red. It's up, light green now. Roll the window down. Hold on, y'all.